We're at Azimut. I'm Bill Hackett. He is Federico Ferrante, the president of Azimut Benetti USA, and we're on the 72 Fly. How you doing, Federico?
I'm very good, thank you.
Good to see you.
How are you? Thank you for being here. Appreciate
Absolutely. So, 72 Fly was a beautiful boat.
it. Well, thank you. Yes, we are very happy. This is day 5 of this 2024 Miami show, and so we can kind of summarize almost the entire event, and the success of the model has been incredible. We have had people on board non-stop. It's a completely new model. It's premiering. This is the first one which arrived in the Americas on February 11th. It got off the ship and then got right to the show. And yes, this is our bread and butter in this kind of market, 70 feet. There's a lot of owner-operated now migrating to this kind of size, believe it or not. So through technology and layout is a very family-oriented, owner-friendly, despite having perfect crew quarters in case of a crew boat. So yeah, it's an overall package which is fantastic, and yeah, for a new model, we are very excited. We sold one yesterday. We sold one the second day, so 2 in 4 days I think is a pretty remarkable result, and you know that's what matters. If the consumer appreciates and buys, that's the utmost test.
I understand why, because if you're going to entertain, we're going to do it al fresco up here on the Flybridge. She is one beautiful space.
It is the 100%, and it's fully equipped. You have lounging here. It's very versatile. Like this area, now you see this equipped this way with the lounging, but it's basically a wide canvas that we let customer customize. We offer also a barbecue unit which perfectly fit in the starboard side aft corner there of the Flybridge, so you can put lounge chairs. So this is very versatile, and then you have your more, you know, if you wish, traditional layout with a C-shape sofa and dining for all 8 people comfortably. Beautiful bar, television, double helm seat, full operation helm, opening of sunroof, hardtop, awning right here, so you name it. You know,
So
it's full of features.
Let's talk about being an owner-operator, because I noticed at this helm and the helm below, it's very disarming, very comfortable to take the wheel, but more importantly, your guests can enjoy the cruising experience along with the captain or the owner-operator, because you have beautiful seating up there.
That's you hit the nail on the head, as you guys say down here. So yeah, no, we designed it. The boat station have next to it. So downstairs you have what we call a breakfast nook, but it's right port of the helm station, which is double seat. And up here we have a sun lounging area right next to the helm station, which also has double seat. And what that is for is that, as we said at the beginning, owner operating through technology, joystick, cameras for maneuvering, is getting more and more high in size, and therefore we want you really can have the owner drive the boat and have the entire family or friends or significant other in the same environment. You don't want to have a cab driver kind of feeling where you're by yourself and everybody else is spread out to the boat. We created area which involve the piloting, if you wish, and created a place where 4 or 5 people can stay in the same environment. Make it a cool time to be spent, not just driving the boat.
Let's go down to the main deck and check out that beautiful salon area.
Absolutely.
I love the one-level living, but to point out the Azimut finishes, that style is here in spades.
It is. This is all brand new. The design is by a very talented architect, maybe a difficult name for the Americans, but it's Fabio Fantolino. Will take a while to get it. He's a phenomenal architect designer from Turin in Italy, of course, and we assigned to him the project of the new 72 Flybridge, and he did an amazing job, because as you can tell, this is completely different from anything you've seen before, and incorporates design elements everywhere, but in a very holistic, mellow, warm home feeling. So we went for walnut, so all you see here is a beautiful real walnut wood, and then he added all these touches with this beautiful lacquered with very mild pastel tones, and of course lighting. We are investing countless hours in designing lighting features and lighting fixtures, and as you can see, there is detailed lightings everywhere. If you look at this ceiling, the lighting everywhere, backlit under there to bright up light on the top of this sculpture, I would say. So yeah, design is an obsession for us, a good obsession. We are literally obsessed by beauty. The country in general, Italy, I think everybody
right.
knows, is the temple, if you wish, of beauty and design. And I guess we really match the DNA of the country. So yeah, it came out, as I said, the response is phenomenal. People are loving it. It's very transversal, makes you feel at home. More and more looks like a beautiful home where you want to spend time, and not only a boat which moves around. So we're very, very satisfied about the interior. This is primary, therefore, is where you put the most effort to celebrate typically the owner of the boat. And Fabio Fantolino in the design of this cabin, along with our technical department, because all the volume, spaces, features are, of course, are done by us, and then the designer put the dress on our skeleton and muscles, if you wish. And it came out really, as I say, welcoming. This is our old ambient, which are full of natural elements, so the walnut again makes you feel like really warm. But then you see we have incorporated a lot of sandy, earthy, holistic materials, which with the pastel look is a very, I don't know, turned down. Is an ambient where you disconnect. That's what it is. You need to disconnect with sometimes stressful reality, the 200 miles an hour running that we do every day. You board a boat, and this kind of architecture, materials, and design makes you kind of slow down and will to just leave and everything behind.
And all your guests are taken care of because all the en-suites, all the rooms are so well appointed, but I love the full stand-up shower. It's gorgeous and natural.
Well, showers are in every cabin has his own en-suite with full standing showers with glass door. In the master, primary, you said it right. In the primary, we also have a walk-in closet, which in 72 feet was not easy to fit, and you have an his and hers. But yeah, showers are another place where you relax after a long day. So we put a lot of attention on that. All rain showers, all glass doors, full of space, full of room. Ergonomics are perfect. So yeah, heads are places where we also put a lot of attention. You got that right.
So what you should do is honestly step aboard. I'm sure the video is going to look fantastic, but until you get inside and you see the finishes, you see the style from the profile, until you touch and feel and breathe in all the beautiful woodwork, you really get a sense for it. So go see Federico, take her for a little sea trial and see what she's all about, right?
Well, absolutely. Thank you.
Yeah.
Very well said.
Federico,
thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Really appreciate it. As usual. See you next.
All right. Ciao.
Thank you.